Hello, 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 hello. How are you? This is Els coming to you from bmascraftycorner. And I'm here because I got a haul, y'all. I needed some stuff, you know? I did not leave the house. Let's put it that way. I needed some stuff, and so I waited for the Amy to wake up from her nap because, you know, she's sick, and she's been taking a lot of naps. And so I got what I needed, which was some book pages, not specifically this one, but, I'm making a book, and I wanted some book pages to do some pockets for it. And I gut my books, and then I give her the guts. And so I was all out. I thought I had some. I did. I thought I had some. And I reached for it, and it wasn't what I thought it was. So I had to get some book pages, some tea-dyed book pages. So I got these. And I don't know, like 10 or 15. I think there's 10 sheets in there. It was like $1. But then I got in the shop, and I started looking. Yeah. And I lost my mind. So I got this, which is like I don't know, it's like blank paper kind of thing. But they're cute. They're cute sizes, and so there's like this lined stuff. And then there's this like grid stuff, and then there's this lined here, and then this stuff with the little holes on it, And so I grabbed this. And then I saw these, and these are 3-part. So I think there's 10 of them in the package, but you get 3 parts, so there's 30. And it was like $1.50. Something like that. I don't know. $4.49 was how much? How much was it? $4.49, $1.25. And then I got these. Let's see. This is $4.47. $1.25 for this too. These are like daily, so you write down, like what you're happy about, or what you're grateful for, or what you're thankful for, or whatever, and I thought those would be kind of cool, to add to a journal, so I grabbed those. And then there were these timesheets, and I thought that's cool, and these I think are duplicate, so they're like nothing, and this one was $1, 15 pack. So, and I think they're duplicates, so I think you get like 30 of them in there. I don't know. And then I buy these. I love these. I do. I love these. There's 10 of them in here. They're tea-dyed, and they're like those little calendar pages. And I think it's like $1.50. So I bought a few of those. Actually, I bought all she had left of these. And then, before her sale the other day, I bought this. This was cool. It's a 100 pack of mini tags and coin envelopes and stuff. She was selling these in her live sale. So I got tags. And I have all of these envelopes in different colors. All the coin envelopes in all the colors. And then I got some library cards too in there. So I was really happy about that. I got a big bag of stuff. So that's what I did. I went shopping in the Amy store. I'll put a link to the shop in the description below. If you have not purchased the Amy paper, go look at it, because let me tell you something. See this? These are timesheets, right? This is like some of the thinnest paper, because it's like that print through duplicate, self-duplicating paper. Let me get this out of here. You know that paper. You know? This stuff, look at how smooth this is. Right? Look at the side. Do you know why it's like this? Because she touches every single piece of this when it comes out of the dye, the process. When she brings this out of the tea, then she takes it and she irons it. She presses it and then she irons it. And so you get this like really beautiful, crisp, clean paper. It's not, you know, you can fold this stuff and it doesn't crack. It's very supple. And I love it. So, anyway, so I like her paper. I bought paper from a lot of people, and Amy's paper, it's an art, and she enjoys it, so she really likes doing it. So if you haven't checked her shop out, go check her shop out. She got a lot of smalls in there right now. You know, some like $1, $2 type stuff. So go check that stuff out because, yeah, you're going to fall in love with her paper. It's gorgeous. And you know what? Here's the thing. Her coffee paper smells like vanilla. Yeah, it does. Because she puts vanilla in it. All right. Anyway, that's it. That's all I have for you today. So, you know, if you're new here and you haven't done so already, go hit the red button for me, like me, ring my bell, share me with all your friends, and your friends can be my friends can be your friends, and our friends can get to be friends before you know it. We have a giant crafting community. I go live on Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Sundays at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. That's 11, 12, and 1 across the country. And let's see, I post videos on Mondays and Wednesdays. And starting in January of 2022, I am going to be doing a free class, building a journal. We're going to start with Little Golden Book and work our way through a few others and some other types of topics. And that's all I have for you until I see you again. Stay safe. Bye-bye.